The members of Tipra Motha in 48 Karamchara constituency left the party following the former party member Paritosh Debarma. On Wednesday, a total of 156 voters of 39 families joined to IPFT under the leadership of YTF Dholai District General Secretary Deepak Debarma. Minister Shukla Charan Nawatia and other state party members welcomed the new voters handing over the party flag. The political downfall of the Tipra Motha party was started from 25th September ahead of the ADC election, following the defection of 920 voters from 230 families who joined the BJP. This move was led by former Tipra Motha state member Paritosh Debarma, who recently joined the BJP. The new members were welcomed to the BJP by CM Dr. Manik Saha, MP Rajiv Bhattacharjee and BJP State Secretary Bipin Debarma, who formally handed over the party flag. Paritosh Debarma, on the day of leaving the party, has said that many more supporters of Tipra Motha from Karamchara Assembly constituency are willing and ready to join with BJP in coming days. This has come to reality after 12 days of his statement, which is why today the members of Tipra Motha in 48 Karamchara constituency left the party following the former party member Paritosh Debarma. On Wednesday, a total of 156 voters of 39 families joined to IPFT under the leadership of YTF Dholai District General Secretary Deepak Debarma, Tipra Motha Primary Committee President Dinesh Marak and Suko Ranjan Debarma. Minister Shukla Charan Nawatia, IPFT State Secretary Sopan Debarma, ex-MLA Sindhu Charan Jamatia and other party members welcomed the new voters handing over the party flag at the Agartala Press Club.
Already in our program, we visit the Chaimanka, Senior Central Network of Korapsa Kubui, Kasam Barok, the Sarenchi, the Burmani, the TUKS, Abrun Simi Samutan Tanai, or ex General Secretary, Sar Sukurun on the Burma, in IPFT was joined like it. Pasapasi, Sini Jubo Network, Sikla, Mrs. Koreti Pramothani. YTF ni District Secretary Karamchara Deepak Debarma bini logi job to primary committee ni leader block level ni leader je tong tonai ro obahai khlaiye 156 voter 39 family ni voter vote join khlaika ede ang obono koi nai so tabuk jorate CPM, Congress, Tipra Motha, Sungke Bono, Paidiva, Panamusuka, Paito, so Paidibu yet, Sini Jotone, a number requested. Jara, IPFT, Agi Kalaka, Bos Minopula, IPFT, Nini Nogo Paiki. And Taiwasha Kopra, Jara, Agi, IPFT, Kaitanai, Noro, O Tabuk Zora, Paishok Pacha, Nogo Asukui Tong Yawi. Buni ayengo ore poro ingi awoi, tai waisha janjane IPFT nogo kipuli paji, abo General Secretary hisabe ang norno koyo, karon agoni jora paishok paja, jora no jora wo paishok payawoi jora lai payi kuno samungla, wone maging barbar norno request matlayo. 2 number ani request ang nai tinini jogdan ni program ni bisingto. Tiprasaro regional political party khalanang hoy motha khlaidi hoy IPFT khalai no doubt jatiyo dolo ta thangra motha ho jodi asontosh sangi takamke IPFT o phedi IPFT o asontosh sang takamke te regional party thangi kintu chini regional je shakti so regional party ancholik party khaisa porjanto chini dabino adai khlai manya abo jatiyo dol bi chok khlai manya कारण के आरोप मास इधे बोनी बगिना हमको ने संपूर्ण पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ने दोष निकला नीन आरो कंपेयर खलाई थे ऑनलाइन नो जे आंचलिक दल ने बिसिंगो बहुत जगह डिसिप्लिन तो साबो तिप्रालेन दाबी पुला सेंखा साबो तिप्रालेन नि लामा फुनुका The lama phunungnai ni aro da nung phainai na ni no copy khlai je himi chamnai nung aro da thangnai nung no siddhanto na de chung sagla chini ohono koine joto maximum no IPF ki Tipraland sanai borok mangno borok tongno norok tai waisa kipli kadi no oboni jora sopaki jora taledi abono norok ni bisiti ani abedan tongnai sini bus kanggo kebangma program tonggo joining program sam ajagao bo oborok tai kereng phajan bagi sampare asik jotono na hamda
IPFT AGS Minister Shukla Charan Nawatia, speaking at an event, said the party IPFT is working relentlessly to strengthen their party in villages and across the state. Reported by Amit from Agatla, Chinikhara.